In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Let's create a tree branch mesh by creating a cube and extruding its side face. Let's type S and X to scale the mesh in the X axis. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. Please render the image and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. Let's click this picture icon button below to send this image to image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.